Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 32 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/3/2. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff. Let this be the horizontal plane and let this be the tower on which this flagstaff is surmounted. From a point on the ground 30 meters away from the tower, let this be the point P, which is away from the base of the tower and is at a distance of 30 meters. Wires are attached to the top and bottom of the flagstaff, making angles of elevation 60° and 30° respectively. That is, this angle is 60°, the smaller angle is 30. We have to find the height of the tower, which is AD, and the lengths of the wires attached, which is CP and DP. To find the height of the tower, let's use the triangle ADP. Applying the tan ratio, tan 30 is equal to AD upon AP. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. AD is what we have to figure out, and AP is given as 30 meters. So AD is equal to 30 upon root 3. Rationalizing this, we get 30 root 3 upon 3, which is nothing but 10 root 3. Substituting the value of root 3 as 1.73, AD is 17.3 meters. Next, we have to find the length of CP, that is this wire. For that, let us consider the triangle ACP. We know one angle and its adjacent side, and we need a hypotenuse. So we'll go in for cos ratio. Cos 60° is equal to AP upon CP. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2. AP is given as 30. CP is what we have to find out, which is 60 meters. The second one, what we have to find out is the length of DP, that is this wire. For that, let us consider the triangle ADP. Again, we have one angle and its adjacent side, and we need the hypotenuse. So we will go in for cos ratio here also. Cos 30 degrees is equal to AP upon DP. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, which is equal to AP is 30 upon DP. So DP is 30 times 2 upon root 3. Rationalizing this, we get 20 root 3. Substituting the value for root 3 as 1.73, we get DP as 34.6 meters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.